Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the step-by-step guide on how to manually wind on a bobbin. So I will not be using the bobbin winder that is on the machine because mine is not working. So I will be using this empty bobbin case and then this thread that I have right here to show you two different ways on how to wind on the bobbin. So first of all, I'll go ahead and pick up my thread that I'll be using to wind on the bobbin, and then you see that the bobbin is empty. So I'll just go ahead and use my hand to reel the thread on the bobbin, just the same way you see like this, so that it will hold firm and tight when I'm actually winding it on the bobbin. So I'll go ahead and place the thread inside this spool holder like this, and then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using this bobbin case to reel it. This is the first method I'm going to show you guys. So for this first method, I'm going to be using this bobbin case to wind on the bobbin itself. So this side that is actually pointy, I'm going to be fixing it inside the bobbin, just the same way you see like that. And then the handle, I'll just hold the handle, and so I'll just move the balance wheel, and then I'll continue to pedal the machine so that it will keep moving for me to wind on the bobbin. So I'll place it, just hold it firm on that handle, fix it, that iron that is actually pointed, I don't know how it's called, but you fix it inside the bobbin, and then move the balance wheel and then continue to pedal the machine. Just hold the thread firm and then it will be winding on the bobbin. As you can see, you see how it is right now. So you will keep winding until you are okay with the thread on the bobbin for you to use on your next project. So the second method I'll be showing you guys is to be using something that is strong and firm. If you have a spool that you can actually use, you go ahead and use it, something that is as this spool holder. And if you still have two of the spool holder, you can go ahead and use one and it will work well. So anything that you have available that can actually go inside the bobbin, just fix it inside, move the balance wheel, and then continue to pedal the machine. Hold firm the thread, not too tight, and then allow it to move, and then continue to pedal it to fill the bobbin with the thread. So guys, you see how everything turned out to be. I'm done winding on the bobbin. So another thing I actually want to tell you is that I actually place it on the balance wheel. You saw that I placed it on the balance wheel before I was pedaling, okay, so that as the balance wheel is moving, the thread is also feeling on the bobbin itself. So I've gone ahead to fix the bobbin inside the bobbin case, and I fixed it inside the machine. So I'm just threading the machine. That's basically what I'm doing now. And I also have another video on this channel on how to thread a manual sewing machine step-by-step guide, so I will link it in my description box. So if you're interested, please go check it out after this video. So guys, I'm actually done winding my thread on the bobbin. I went there to fix it inside the machine, and then I thread the machine, so it's basically ready for my next project. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.